Hello and welcome to the evolution of C++ in 10 key moments. 1. In 1979, Bjorn Stroustrup started developing C++ as an extension of the C programming language. 2. C++ was first released in 1985 and included features such as classes, virtual functions, and operator overloading. 3. In 1989, the C++ Standardization Committee was formed to create a standard for the language. 4. The first C++ standard was published in 1998, known as C++ 98. 5. C++11 was released in 2011 and included features such as lambda expressions and range base for loops. 6. C++14 was released in 2014 and included improvements to templates and added the binary literals feature. 7. In 2017, C++17 was released with improvements such as structured bindings and inline variables. 8. C++20 was released in 2020 with features such as concepts and modules. 9. C++ continues to be a widely used language in areas such as gaming, operating systems, and embedded systems. 10. C++ continues to evolve with potential features being proposed for future releases. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on programming languages.